Hey food lovers, let's make this quick coconut rice. Yes, coconut rice, it's easy, it's simple. So let's prep our protein. So this is my marinated turkey. This turkey has been marinated for hours. Yeah, so all the spices, everything, it's locked in. So after boiling, I'm just going to go ahead to grill this in the oven, and then I add little oil to cooking pot. Introduce the rice, and I'll be toasting this for 5 minutes. Now after toasting, I added my pepper mix, a combination of scotch bonnet, onion, garlic, ginger, and paprika pepper. So I added homemade coconut milk and then my turkey stock. So I'll give that a quick stir, add my seasoning, then crayfish powder. Of course, crayfish powder is very important if you want your coconut rice to come out very tasty, flavorful. So I added rosemary leaf and bay leaf, cover that and allow it to cook. Now at this point, I introduced my smoked mackerel fish and green onion. Covered it to allow the water dry up properly, and voila, our coconut rice is ready. Simple, no skill required to make this. It's so easy. So let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe.